Hello Virgo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is June 11 to June the 13th, no? Ayan, Virgo, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate. Hit the notification bell para po ma-notify kayo every time na tayo nagre-release ng bagong video. No, Virgo, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, Virgo, simulan na natin. So, parang nakikita ko dito, ibinabalik, no, yung mga nawawala sa atin. Whether it is material thing, finances, or even yung tao, no? Siyempre, nandito kayo most likely for a romantic reading. So, nakikita ko dito, parang binigyan ka uli ng parang chance, to, para sumaya, no, ang iyong puso, sumaya ang iyong buhay. I feel like dito mo masasabi, I blessed ako, no? Meron ba mga pagsubok na dumating, from the past, pero this is ito yung sinasabi nating triumph, no? Ito yung sinasabi nating victory. Tapos ka na doon sa mga pagsubok, tapos ka na doon sa mga pang-aapi, no, sa iyo. With the Ace of Pentacles, the Eight of Cups, tingin ko nga dito, feeling mo pinagkaitan ka, no, ng mga bagay-bagay. I think yung naging issue dito is the right time, no? Pwedeng that time gusto mo yung mangyari yung isang bagay pero hindi pinayagan, no? Whether it is by the universe or whoever, no? Someone really higher from us na hindi binigay sa atin and you feel like, ayoko na. Hindi na rin ako aasa. Ngayon, kung kailan hindi ka umasa, kung kailan, you let this go, doon dumating. And fun fact, yung let it go, no, ng Frozen, that's part of the manifestation process. The more that you let go, the more na walang way. No? Kasi the more that you hold on into something, especially you're manifesting something, the more na magkaka-way. No? The more na mas bumibigat. Ito yung great manifestations or great explanation of that. When you let go, doon mo makikita. Kasi hindi mo na siya iniisip. Kasi when you're holding on to something, doon nasasabi, okay, the universe will think of it out. The person wants it, and the mere fact you want it, which means that you don't have it. So I'm giving more of wanting it and not having it, right? So ngayon you let go, binigay na sa'yo, diba? With the Two of Swords, the Knight of Wands, and the Nine of Wands. I think that this is also part of your expansion. Dito natin masasabi na parang, okay nga, sige dati kailangan ko siya, pero ngayon, kailangan ko pa rin, pero upgraded, no? Ang gusto ko. If this is a person, sige, okay, pero I want you then, no, na pwede sabihin natin jowa lang. Pero I want you now as my partner. Page of Wands in the Chariot, I feel like yung iba sa inyo tried to, siguro went to somewhere, some other place to look for love. The Page of Swords, the King of Wands, and the Hanged One. I think, doon sa mga nagbabalak, pumunta ng ibang lugar to, syempre, work, doon din na rin kayo makakahanap ng new love. I can also see here, chances are nakakausapin kayo ng ex nyo, pero you're already moving forward. Ten of Cups and the Empress, parang makikita mo dito yung value mo Doon naman sa mga bumalik, no, sa person nila, I feel like doon mo makikita din na mas pinapahalagahan ka, no? Kumbaga, this is ito yung pinaka-time mo na nagsha-shine ka. Ito yung pinaka-time mo na nakikita, the beauty of you, not just the physical, but also the inner you, no? So, makikita mo talaga yung halaga mo this season. And I feel like ipaparamdam ito ng person mo, no? So, let's check here the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this could be a sun sign or this could be a placement in their chart, no? I'm seeing Pisces, Scorpio, Leo, Sagittarius, um, Scorpio, yeah, Scorpio is there, Cancer is there. Nasabi ko na yung Leo, Sagittarius, yeah, paulit-ulit siya doon sa zodiac na yun. So this is your reading, Virgo. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin sa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience at nagla-live din po tayo doon. Pwede rin po kayo magtanong sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. At kung feeling nyo hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa comments, sa description box po, no, may form. There is a link. Click the link. You will be routed to my page. Type in your questions. Click submit. We have a promotion there for a very discounted price. Take advantage of it. And kung gusto nyo rin pong mag-avail ng ating private reading, nandun din po yun sa description box. So, Virgo, this is your reading, Love and Light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.